garbage. So this is the one more PistonBud, an amazing product. So if you have any interest in the specification, you can definitely go and check the specification right now. Anyway, you'll be seeing more things in the detailed review. This is the look on the packet, and hopefully this is the matte finish. There should be something. We can hold this thing. Aha, that's how I do this. Finishing is amazing. All the place they have used matte finish. Okay, there are some more things inside of the box. There should be the charging cable. There should be some extra tips. We'll be taking the look on the one more PistonBuds, and after that we'll be taking our look inside of the box later on. But for now we should be removing this one, and here hopefully you can see this one. It's a totally matte finish. My hand is a little wetty so far. So you can use your Type-C charger to charge this one. That's amazing. Here it says one more. That's also great. If you go inside, we can see this is pretty rigid, man. It's a hard material. I can just feel this one. It's a hard material, and the matte finish, I really like this one because I don't like glossy things. The matte finish is looking amazing. Hopefully you can see the matte finish. It's looking amazing. If I take the earphones out, then it will get turned on automatically. It's magnetic. That's great. Yeah, it's magnetic. That's amazing. Yeah, it feels pretty rigid, man. So inside of the box we should be getting one Type-C port. What we can do is just pull this one, and there should be the manual. Yeah, there is the manual. And what are the extra things? Here's the Type-C cable. That is not important for me because I already own a lot of Type-C cables. For now I'll be keeping this thing inside because I don't need this one. The best part here is this is touch control. Hopefully you can already see that the quality is looking great. The earphone is also great. Once you want to bring them outside, it has a little feeling on this one. It's not like some cheap quality cheap ones. If you want to drop them, they will never drop. So we'll be doing the full in-depth review as soon as possible, as soon as I'm done with the full review. Before we can use this one, we have to remove this one. Other than that, we cannot use them, so we have to remove both of them. You will be able to see that one more PistonBuds. Just click on that one and it will take some moment to get connected, and it's already connected. Once you have connected the one more PistonBuds successfully, then you don't need to pair them again and again. You just bring these things out of the box, out of the packet, out of the shell. They're ready to use. I cannot even hear myself out.